Thanks for checking out my System.io review. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the most important features this platform has to offer, and give you my honest take on who it's best for and why it might be a smart tool to add to your business stack. And what's cool about System is they have a forever free plan, meaning you can start using this for your business without ever paying a dime. And if you want to check it out, I've dropped a link in the description. And of course, there are paid plans available too, and they unlock a bunch of extra features that I'll talk more about later in the video. But for now, let's dive into the review and take a look at what System.io can really do. All right, so here we are on the dashboard of System.io. So once you have actually clicked the link in the description and created your free account, this is the first page that you're going to come onto once you have logged in. And as you can see on this page, there are two different things I want you to take notice to. For one, there's this box right here that is labeled new leads. And what this tells you is exactly what it is. It's the new leads that you have acquired over the last, in this case, 31 days. And over on this side is a live update, basically showing you all the leads that you have acquired, giving you the contact information. And so I have it blocked out right now because I don't want to expose these people's contact information, but this is what will be on this side. And you have the ability to filter out the different dates depending on what time frame it is that you want to actually look at. And so what System.io has is a few different dashboards. So this is the main one. But if you go over to this header section, you'll see we're on the main dashboard, and they also have what is called an affiliate dashboard as well. And so we'll go ahead and take a look at that real quick. Now, this is something I don't really have affiliates for System.io, but System.io does have an affiliate program. And so whenever people sign up through your link, things like that, all that information will come on here. So it'll tell you how much commission you've earned, all your earnings for today, the last 7 days, the last 30 days, things like that, different payments, and you'll have your affiliate link right here, which is you earn 60% lifetime commissions by promoting System.io. So this is how you can keep track of your affiliates as well for this particular platform. And then we have what is called a student dashboard. And so this is something that's only going to come up if you have a paid plan with System.io. And what's really cool about this is you get access to all these different courses right here on this dashboard from different marketers and business owners teaching you different things. And so you can go through this, for example, for this first video, how to make your first 10K with TikTok and Instagram Reels. And so you can go through this course right here to learn all of these different things. But this is only on a paid plan. Next, going through this, continuing on with this, with the dashboard and the header up here, you have your CRM, which shows you your contacts, your different tags, pipelines, and calendar. And then you have your websites where you can create your blogs, you can build your sales funnel, or you can create your digital stores. You have your emails where you can go ahead and create your newsletters, your campaigns, and view your different statistics for your email marketing in general. And then you have your automations where you can go ahead and create your rules and you can build out your workflows. The workflows is very handy when you are building sales funnels and you are doing your email marketing. This comes in really handy where there's kind of a synergy between the two. And then you have your assets. This is where you can go ahead and create your physical products that you can actually sell. So, physical products is in the name itself. You can create different coupons and discount codes. You can create your courses. You can create a community as well, a group. And then you can upload your files. If you have digital files that you want to upload, like PDFs, videos, things like that, you can upload that here as well so that you can supply your audience or your customer with that file if it's something that you are giving away for free or if it's something that they purchase. And then you have a sales section. And basically this goes over your different orders. So if you have digital products or physical products, this keeps track of your orders, the transactions, any subscriptions that you might have for your audience, affiliate invoices, and my affiliate program. And so what's really cool with this is if you have, say, like a digital course or something that you are selling, you can create an affiliate program for your course and entice your audience to promote your product as well by supplying them with an affiliate link that you can set a commission amount to go out to them whenever they refer sales to you. And so that's really, really cool. So you can keep track of all of that. And then this is obvious stuff, your help section. And then this is where you can deal with all your back end stuff right here. But what's real cool with System.io is that you got sub accounts. So let me go ahead and click that. Right now, I don't have anything right here, but you can create sub accounts with your regular account. So where a sub account comes in handy is if you have one main business, but you have some different side businesses as well that might not be associated with your main business, but you want to go ahead and use System.io for everything that you're doing business wise. So you can create sub accounts to keep those things separate. And so this is really cool. So if your main business is digital marketing, but maybe you have a t-shirt business on the side as well, but you want to use System.io to promote your t-shirt business, to handle all the email marketing, the sales funnels, all of that good stuff, you can create a sub account for your separate business just to keep things separate and organized. So that is really, really cool. All right, so what I want to go over right here is the landing page templates, because if you're using System.io, this is probably what you're going to be using the most, is to create landing pages and sales funnels in general. So System provides you with templates to use if you do not want to create anything from scratch. And so they have a long list. We'll go ahead and click 30, and you can see all the different templates that come along with System as well. And these are just really just plug and play. You can go ahead and click on them, use them. We'll go ahead and preview this one. You see, this is a pretty landing page right here, and you can come inside here and just customize everything to your specific needs. So what I want to do is show you the drag and drop feature inside of the sales funnels. I'm not going to go too in depth because this isn't a tutorial, but we're going to show you just how easy this stuff is. So when you want to edit your sales funnel or any of the templates that you get, it's really easy. You just click on whatever it is you want to edit, and then you can type in whatever you like. And on this sidebar right here, you can adjust the font size, the line height, all the different things that you want to do for this section. And you can come over here and we can upload a different photo inside of here. So we'll go to an existing image that I already have. We'll insert that in there, and you can go through and you can really just edit anything and everything however you want. And you also get a mobile view as well, so you can make sure your landing page looks correctly on a cell phone as well. But I'll go over more of this in a specific tutorial. So these are the different steps when you're building a sales funnel in general. So right here on the sidebar, you have your squeeze page, you have your thank you page, and then you can add more steps. And your sales funnel can be as big or as small as you want it to be. And so you have the different things right here. You can name your funnel. You can decide on the URL path. You can create your automation rules. You can do A/B testing to see which landing page converts better. You can look at your stats. You can look at the leads that this specific squeeze page actually brought in. Any sales, if you're doing sales through here. And then you can do deadline settings as well, where you can kind of create scarcity. And then you can view your funnel. And then you can continue editing with the funnel, edit funnels right here with the name, the domain, the currency, all of that good stuff. So everything is inside of here for you to edit your sales funnel. All right, so here's a really cool feature. It's pretty new. It's only been around for a few months. You get kind of this is what they call a digital store right here, but this is really like a link tree. And so as you can see right here, this is my link tree right here. And so if you're accustomed to seeing this on like Stan Store or Beacons, things like that, you can create your own link tree right here. And you can, you know, customize this kind of however you want to collect leads for anything, or to redirect to different landing pages or different websites, all of that good stuff. But you have the ability to do that in here. And you can edit the design because they have different themes that you can use. And this is the theme I'm using right here, but you can easily select a different one, such as that, and it'll change on the side. But yeah, this is really cool. You can use this to go ahead and create and sell digital products directly from your link page. And that is what's really cool about this. All right, so with System, you also have the ability to do email marketing. So you can create newsletters, or you can create campaigns that drip out, you know, every day, every other day, things like that. This right here is the email editor. And so they have a classic one and a visual one. This is the visual editor, and you can come in here and edit this thing, edit out your emails however it is that you want. Pretty similar to the sales funnels as well. It's all drag and drop. And so you can easily click on that and change the photo. You can go ahead and change the text inside of here, add your photo. If you have a signature, you can add that inside of there. But you have the ability to do email marketing inside the System, and it's quite good as well. Not all emails actually end up in spam or in promotions folder. So I have been using this for a few months, and I am really happy with the switch that I made to using System and using it for its email marketing capabilities as well. All right, so let's talk about the most important thing when it comes to System: pricing. How much does it cost to use System.io? Well, if you went ahead and click that link in the description, you will see you have a freemium plan, $0 a month. This is not a trial. With the freemium plan, you get 2,000 contacts, unlimited email sends, one email campaign, unlimited email newsletters, one automation rule, one workflow, and 30 API requests. You get a whole lot of features just for the free plan. And really, this can be sufficient enough for your business, period. And let's say you happen to go over your limits. Well, they just switched up the price for the starter plan, which used to be $27 a month. It is now $17 a month, which is an absolute steal. And you get all of these different things right here with it. And if you need to upgrade to the webinar, that's $47 a month. And if you want everything unlimited, then it's $97 a month. But it gives you so much different options and features within this plan. And you can start System.io for free, and you can run your business on it with a free plan, or even a starter plan, which is only $17 a month. So this is one of the cheapest in the market, because most of the competition is at, anywhere from $27 to $97 a month. All right. So in conclusion to all of this, what I really enjoy with System.io is the ease of running my business through this entire platform. I've tried them all. I've tried ClickFunnels. I've tried Go High Level. I have tried all the other competitors in the market. And what all of that stuff comes down to, that I have found, is that as long as I'm able to build sales funnels and do email marketing, that is all I really need. And this allows me to do it at the most efficient cost as well, because I don't have to spend $100 plus a month, or have to piece together a bunch of different softwares and try to make my business work that way. most of what I need is all under one roof right here with System. And so this is something I actively use for my business as well. And so I really enjoy using System.io, and I think that it is an awesome platform that continues to just give so much for the least amount of money from you. And so if you want to try System.io for yourself and your business, there is a link in the description to go ahead and sign up for that free plan. It is an affiliate link, so anything that you do through that link will benefit me. That's just a disclosure. I want to be transparent about that. But you can just go directly to the website as well if you don't want to help me get any profit. But other than that, though, I really like System.io. I think this is great. I really hope that you enjoy this review. And if you have any specific questions at all, just leave them in the comment section. I didn't want to make this video too long. I will make tutorials on certain things. And if you would like me to make tutorials on certain things, put it in the comment section because I read all the comments. All right. So other than that, I'm Mike, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.